Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich with your outlook for August 15th, 2017. For your Tuesday, we're going to start off in reverse today from what we saw yesterday. We saw a little bit of sun in the morning, and then those clouds quickly increased and were with us most of the day, and some areas got spotty showers toward the end of the day. Today's going to be the opposite of that, so we're expecting maybe leftover early shower in the morning, mainly for southeastern areas here, closest to the front. But then we expect clouds to decrease later in the day. The exception to that will be further toward the coast, but inland was where we expect those clouds to decrease at some point during the afternoon and then becoming partly cloudy by the evening. This right here to the southeast, this is GERT, and this will be moving away from land. This is not expected to be anywhere near our location. It could provide some rip currents from Sandy Hook all the way down to Ocean City, Maryland, though, as it passes by. Close by, but still far enough at a safe distance and moving away from land. It is not a concern other than the rip currents that we're expecting along the shore points. Here's a look at the high-res future simulated radar from the 3-kilometer NAM, and this is starting off at 5 a.m. Just some spotty showers across northeastern Pennsylvania. Again, you're going to see most of the concentration of everything going on today down here, mainly southeast of I-95, so we're not expecting this to get too far northward. We're going to allow for an early or morning shower, just basically cloudy most of the day with that front nearby. Again, just some showers, spotty showers continuing through the course of the morning and maybe even early afternoon. You see that here. Here's 2 p.m. Meanwhile, in the interior, we're going to be having improving conditions coming in from this direction. So you could have some breaks of sun in the afternoon and then becoming partly cloudy by the evening. Further southeast, you will not have that until probably overnight, and we start to clear out a little bit. Once we get toward the evening, you might get the mostly cloudy skies. This is looking at 6 p.m. You don't see anything in our coverage area at all, but we could see down in these areas maybe some breaks of clouds right before sunset. But elsewhere, you should be going to partly cloudy by the end of the day. And that's it for the rain for Tuesday. Getting a little bit forward from this point, we're going to get into now Wednesday. High pressure is going to move in behind this, and we're going to have a mostly sunny and warm Wednesday, and temperatures are going to be getting up close to the 90-degree mark here in Philadelphia, but generally 85 to 90 across our coverage area. So very warm day for this point in the year, which is a little bit above normal for this time of year. And we have that cold front moving in from the west, but we were talking about that yesterday, maybe getting here Thursday. That is now not the case. Here is a look at late in the day on Thursday, and it is still well to the west. So this is slowed up on all pieces of guidance. So we now have nothing on Thursday except partly cloudy skies. Will be warm again as a result of that. So expect a very similar day in temperatures, maybe a few more puffy clouds than you saw on Wednesday, with high pressure moving a little further east. And then once we get into Friday, now this is when it's actually going to come through. Scattered showers and thunderstorms coming through in the afternoon and evening. You can see that here across eastern Pennsylvania. That will continue eastward, but what's going to end up happening is this cold front, which is sitting right here, once this cold front slows up, once it is going to slow up once it reaches the coastline or nears the coastline. So there may be some lingering effects going in here, as this model suggesting, into Saturday for our eastern sections that are close enough to the shore. So if you're going down the shore this weekend, keep an eye on this. Could be some scattered showers and thunderstorms here yet on Saturday, but I think the interior, you're dry, maybe just isolated extreme eastern Pennsylvania. But we're expecting this to just be an afternoon and evening convection type thing again, and it'll be nearest the front as that front gets a little bit held up close to the coast. Now the good news, after that, we clear out completely, and Sunday is a mostly sunny day. And guess what? For the solar eclipse on Monday, so is the outlook for Monday. Here's a look at 2 p.m. Monday on this particular model. High pressure is in control of our weather, and that means we should have partly to mostly sunny skies, probably favoring mostly sunny at this point. And all three major global models are in lockstep with this. We posted that on the Facebook page last evening, and it does look like it's going to be a very good outlook for the solar eclipse viewing on Monday afternoon. Again, you can go to our website. There's an article we have. Actually, go to our Facebook page where we link to it. We have an article written up about the solar eclipse and what to expect, best viewing times for your area. And it does look like the weather is going to cooperate at this point. This is still a week away or close to a week away, so things can change. But for all three to be in lockstep like that, all three major models showing virtually the same thing, it's going to be difficult for that to change dramatically at this range. We're getting now into inside 7 days when you start looking at these a little bit more realistically. But right now, it looks good for the eclipse viewing on Monday. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich. That is your outlook for August 15th, 2017. Have a great Tuesday.